Omar, tell me about areas that you'd be buying for clients, say at around about the $850,000 range, close proximity to a major city.
I think there's three really strong areas at the moment that we've been seeing and have been playing in for the last 6 months. These areas are close to the city, close to schools. There are lots of amenities around. There's a lot of larger blocks within these areas. So people are not only buying the asset, but they're buying a bigger land size so they could potentially develop as well. And we have been seeing a lot of investor activity in these areas. Starting off with number one, it's an area that I really love speaking about, and I have spoken about it in my Suburb reviews, and it is the area of Fawkner. Fawkner has a median house price of $825,000. Rental yields are sitting at 3.54%, which isn't too strong. However, it is an area where if you can maintain the cash outlay throughout the year, it is going to provide that capital growth for the long haul. The area has seen growth over the last year at over 4.5%, so almost 5% in capital growth. And there are lots of strong metrics with Fawkner in terms of its vacancy rates, sitting at 1.69%, days on market sitting at 26 days, stock on market, very low listings, only at 13 listings. And as we've seen, there are actually 2 articles released about a property just recently sold in Fawkner, 72 William Street. Listing price from the agents was $740 to $790. The first bidder off the bat actually put forward an offer $60,000 more than the actual listing price. The property ended up selling for $966,000. You can just tell there is an immense amount of pressure on Fawkner in terms of demand versus supply. So Fawkner is one that I'm definitely keeping in my horizon. Have bought previously a number of properties in this area for our clients, and we've been operating there for the last 6 months. Definitely is an area that I would recommend. However, there are certain pockets I would not touch. The pockets that might be closer to the freeway. Some areas within Fawkner have social housing, need to be careful. And of course, always do a building and pest inspection prior to purchasing.